All right, so just to introduce myself, my name is Victoria Williamson. I'm currently the lead hackathon organizer for Night Hats. I'm currently a junior at the University of Central Florida, majoring in both computer science and statistics. So to start off, what is Night Hats? So Night Hats was founded in 2015, and it's pretty much an organization that can allow you to learn new skills through our workshops that we have both at the hackathon and throughout the semester, as well as through the projects that students create throughout the semester and at the hackathon. So since being founded in 2015, we've had over 100 workshops, about 4 hackathons, over 200 active members, and 30 developers and directors. So within our organization, we have a lot of programs where you can come and learn new skills and make friends. And one of these is our projects program. So in our projects program, you can apply and get placed into a group where throughout the semester you will develop a project. So this project that you develop, it can allow you to learn a lot of like different skills that you might learn in your classes, because you can pretty much create anything that you want to make. And this is really good, especially if you need any projects for your resume, because it shows that you know how to work in a team. And also throughout this process, learn how to work with version control. To continue, we also have workshops throughout the semester, as well as what we're going to have during the hackathon. And with our workshops, we have a mix of beginner workshops as well as advanced workshops. So no matter what your skills are, we'll probably have something for you. All right. And to continue, we have socials throughout the semester, and these can be really fun. So these socials this semester have been both virtually and in person. And this semester, we've had socials at the Keg Social, Burger U, Arcade Monsters, and we also had a virtual gaming social. And lastly, we also have a mentorship program. And this program is really good whether you're an underclassman or an upperclassman, because you can be either a mentee or a mentor. So this can be really good to get any leadership experience to kind of help some underclassmen out who are in the beginning of their college career, as well as for a mentee if you have any questions about like starting out with college, because there's like honestly like so much. We have mentors there that can come and help you out. All right, and now to continue, we have a message from MLH.
Hello, everybody. My name is Ayush. I'm currently a coach at Major League Hacking. I love to play basketball and super into sports. Also, love to work on cars from time to time. If you're interested in following our Twitter, it's the bottom left corner, along with my Instagram if you want to see what my life's like. So, moving forward, everything you need to know for this weekend is going to be at this URL right here, which is hack.mlh.io. So I know I'm going to talk a lot of stuff and totally understand if you don't, remember everything. So that's the whole point of this URL. Just hack the MLH.io. Got it? Sweet. So what is Major League Hacking? Well, Major League Hacking is a global hacker community with over 135,000 people just like you. And by being here, you're actually winning community points for your community. Community with the most points at the end of the year wins a pretty sick season prize. So that's a lot about MLH and Major League Hacking, but what are we even doing this weekend? Well, to get started, feel free to take a break with me at 1:30 on Hopin, which is a U.S. Air Force cybersecurity contest, or not really a contest. It's more like a learning session / challenge. It's just a bunch of challenges to get your feel of cybersecurity. It's a lot of fun. If you're interested in what cybersecurity is like, I would highly recommend you to come. Also, we have the MS Paint Bob Ross mini event. This is a lot of fun. This is actually going to be before the U.S. Air Force event, and that's going to be at 1 p.m. By participating this weekend, you have the chance of winning a limited edition 2021 season mask. These masks are dope. I love them, wear them all the time, and maybe, luckily, you can get one as well. So, let's say you want to take a break this weekend and just chill. Well, if you like drawing, you don't like drawing. Regardless, you should draw an Octocat to win an Octocat. All you have to do is tweet your entry at GitHub Education at MLHacks and with the hashtag MyOctocat and hashtag KH2021. Also, if you are a student, which I assume a lot of you are, I would recommend you to go check out the GitHub Student Developer Pack. There are a bunch of tools on there, and I mean a bunch, so definitely just go check it out real quick. That's going to be hackpack/GitHub. So that's a lot of fun stuff, but we also have all the resources you need to make the best project you possibly can this weekend. To get started, feel free to check out Twilio, and you can get a free $50 trial. You don't need a credit card or anything. That's gonna be hackback/Twilio. It's a great way if you wanna implement two-factor authentication, and they have a bunch of other cool stuff. So I would highly recommend you to go check it out. If you're interested in hosting a website or having a website, feel free to claim a free .tech domain. That's going to be with the weekend code gravy time. Sorry about that. And go check that out. That's going to be hackback/domain. So you have this dope URL they just came up with, and now you're like, how do I host this? Well, you can host it on Google Cloud. So you can feel free to snag free Google Cloud credits. That's going to be $50 at a time, up to $100 per account. And if you want to do that, that's going to be at hack/Google Cloud-credits. So let's say you're super interested in space. Well, guess what? The sky is not the limit. And I love to see some pretty cool space prizes. I've seen some pretty impressive stuff so far. So if you're interested in space, if you're not, I highly recommend you just go check it out and go get inspired. Check out hackback/USSF. Also, if you're interested in building hardware this weekend, you can earn a sweet hardware prize. So I love seeing hardware hacks. So just a little heads up as well. Emulators do count as hardware. And what I mean by emulators are Google Voice, Google Assistant, Siri, and Alexa. Those also count as well as hardware. And now you want to learn. Oh, sorry, Alexa. Ah! Oh, goodness. I shouldn't have said Alexa. I'm sorry about that. Anyway, back to the show. So, you're interested in learning some new stuff this weekend? Well, you can do so on hackback/learn. There's a bunch of cool tools on there. Here are some to get you started. Now, all those tools I just mentioned, they're going to be prizes for them, which are listed right here. They will also be on DevPost. Now, I recommend everyone here to please demo, please demo and show off your hack. You're going to get an iDemoed sticker, this one. So I don't know if there is a specific one for night hacks. I believe there is, though. So this is, but otherwise, if there isn't, this is the sticker you'll get. And yeah, I would highly recommend please demo. It's a lot of fun. Just, I don't care if your product's done or not. Just show off what you made, and more importantly, you can show off what you learned. Feel free, if you're interested in looking at, maybe you're looking at an internship or full-time job, go look at the Career Lab, which is going to be hackback/careers. Now, on a more serious note, Major League hackathons are a series for everyone, and I really can't emphasize that enough. I know with everything moving digital, it might be a little bit easier to be mean to someone because you don't really know what the other person looks like. All you see is like a user ID. So just remember, there is another person on the other side of the screen, and by being here, you do have to abide to the code of conduct, who's right there in front of you. And really, the TLDR is just be nice, just be kind, and that's really it. But if anything does come up, you can talk to me, talk to organizers, or you can contact incidents@emulation.io or the phone number in the bottom left-hand corner. Now, once again, thanks to our partners and happy hacking. I'm super excited to see what you all come up with this weekend, and I'll catch y'all later. Peace.
All right. And now I want to show you guys what's going to be happening throughout the event. So on today, which is Friday, shortly after this, we're going to be having our career fair. So if you're looking to talk to our mini sponsors, maybe learn about getting a job or anything like that, you can come learn about that there. And we're also going to have some organizations at ECF that can come and network and talk to you. Then at 9 p.m., workshops are going to begin. So I believe we're having our intro to Python and intro to JavaScript as our first couple of workshops. But in addition to that, we're going to also have some more, such as intro to web development. And then at 9 p.m., hacking is going to begin. And so this means once at 9 p.m., you're allowed to start making any GitHub repositories, Figma prototypes, anything like that. But until then, please do not start developing on your project. To continue, on Saturday, we're going to start workshops again at 9 o'clock in the morning and have even more workshops than we had the day before. So we're going to have some workshops on professional development skills, and you can come learn about entrepreneurship, mobile development, GitHub, and even more. And then also, starting at 12 p.m. on Saturday, we're going to have some social and mini events. So if you kind of just want to take a break from programming, or just want to learn some new skills and meet some new friends during the hackathon, you can come and play chess, Among Us. We're going to have a best meme contest and more. Lastly, on Sunday, hacking begins at 9 o'clock a.m. In your Hacker Packet that you received in your email, there should be a link to a Notion page called the Hacker Onboarding page. And this will include information about the dev post. And if you have any questions about how to submit on dev post, we are going to be answering those throughout the hackathon. And we're going to have a session to answer those in the morning on Sunday. And then at 2 p.m., we're going to have closing ceremony. And during this, we can come and see all the winners get announced. All right, so you guys are already on Hopin already, so I'm sure you've probably been discovering a little bit of it, but I'm just going to explain all the things that you're going to be able to see. So we have a reception page, which is where you probably came when you first came to Hopin. This is where you can view our sponsors as well as the schedule for the entire event. So if you just scroll down a little bit, it'll show the schedule as well as any prerequisites that are necessary for your workshop. Next, we have a stage, which is where you are right now. And this is where only opening and closing ceremony will take place. To continue, we now have the sessions, and this is where all the workshops will take place. So each session, which is where the workshops will take place, will show up 15 minutes before each workshop begins, and that's how you're going to be able to join them. Then lastly, starting at 6:30, we're going to have a career fair, and that's going to be located in the expo. All right, and now we're going to talk about mentors, and I have Aileen to come speak about that.
Hey everyone, hope you're doing well so far. Bear with us, we don't have too many slides left. I want to talk to you guys about the mentors that we're going to have for this hackathon. Like any other hackathon, we will have a panel of mentors that are here to help you from beginning of hacking, which is 9 p.m. to the end of hacking, 9 a.m. on Sunday. So just so you have some credibility, our mentors are from companies all over the country. For example, some of them have worked at Lockheed Martin, Microsoft, GMPC, Spotify, IBM, and even more. So to kind of have an idea of the sort of skills that our mentors have, this is a general scope of all of the skills that they can cover. Most of our mentors, if not all of them, know and understand Git, and they also have experience in blockchain, hardware, machine learning, AI, brainstorming and ideation, demonstration and pitching, web dev, mobile dev, game dev, full stack, front end, back end, UI, UX design, data science, and cybersecurity. So our mentors literally cover every span of anything that you could potentially be developing. So if you have a question and you genuinely don't know if someone will be able to answer it, don't worry, just hit up one of our mentors. If you're curious where you can talk to our mentors, it'll be on the next slide. On Discord, we have a series of channels dedicated to mentorship. One where you can just post any question that you have, which is called Get Any Help. If you're working on a front-end related project or you have a front-end related problem, you can say get front-end help. Same for back-end, mobile, and machine learning and AI. So again, don't hesitate to reach out to any of our mentors if you guys need any assistance. They're always going to be on Discord the entire time, especially from the beginning of hacking, 9 p.m., all the way up to the end of hacking, 9 a.m. You can ask them literally any question if you're trying to see if your idea is a good idea, if you have problems implementing ideas, or all the way to the end where you're trying to submit your idea and you have a problem. You can feel free to reach out to any of our mentors. So yeah, that's all.
All right, thank you so much, Aileen. And now we're going to get into our sponsors. So we're going to have sponsors from Microsoft, NSIN, Mantech, and Facebook. We're also going to have sponsors from Texas Instruments, also known as TI, Goldman Sachs, Google Cloud, Echo 3D, Synopsys, Electronic Arts, also known as EA, Leading Learners, as well as UCF Career Services, Sticker Mule, and the College of Engineering, College of Computer Science, Office of Diversity and Inclusion. Thank you to everyone for sponsoring us and supporting us for this hackathon. All right, and you guys will be able to talk to most of these sponsors once again in the expo booth, which you should be able to see on the left side of your screen. And they will be there around from 6:30 to 8:30 p.m. to answer any questions. Also, in the Discord server, make sure that you have given yourself the Hacker 2021 role. There are instructions on how to do this in the email that you sent, as well as if you have any questions on how to do so, please ask in the hashtag as organizers channel. Lastly, they're also going to have office hours throughout the event, so please keep an eye out on that to communicate with them. All right, and going more into the rules that we're going to have this event, please keep in mind you are not allowed to begin hacking until 9 p.m. and you must finish hacking at 9 a.m. with your submission also on DevPost at 9 a.m. Sunday. If you have any questions about this, please ask us on the Discord for help. There's going to be a maximum team size of 4. And also, to be considered to win, please make sure your repository is public. All right, and now we have Sabrina and Martin to come talk about our mini contest.
Hey everybody, I'm Martin McCarthy from the social media and design team here at NightHacks, and we're really excited to announce a meme contest that will take place throughout the hackathon. Everybody can submit NightHacks related memes using hashtag KH2021 on Twitter. You can submit as many as you'd like, so keep them coming as the event goes on. We'll be retweeting the best ones as they come. The best one will win a special prize at the end, so make sure to put your best effort into them. Thanks everybody.
And hi, good evening everyone. My name is Sabrina Lopez. I'm the NightHacks design director. To everyone that wants to have a creative side project for the weekend, I would like to introduce the Club Mascot Design Contest. Currently, NightHacks has no club mascot, so the design team would like to see how our members picture NightHacks in a characterized form. Feel free to make a mascot that is abstract, an animal, etc. The sky is the limit. You can submit your mascot designs in NightHacks Discord in the Club Mascot Contest channel. At the end of the contest, you can win a prize if your design shows the most creativity and provides the most inspiration. Also, you can find this info about the contest on the NightHacks Instagram and Twitter when we post those graphics. Have a wonderful evening and happy hacking!
All right, thank you so much, you guys. All right. Now to continue, we're going to talk about all of our prize categories, some of them which were introduced earlier by MLH. So our first one is going to be Best Use Google Cloud. So build your hackathon project with a suite of secure storage, powerful compute, and integrated data analytics and products delivered by Google Cloud. And when I post this in the hacker packet, you'll get access to this link that includes all the Google Cloud products. So each winning team located in the United States will win a Google Cloud swag bag, which has a beanie, pillow, journal, socks, and lanyards included. And then international winners will receive a Google branded backpack. To continue, we have DigiKey, which is sponsoring our best hardware hack with MLH. So using your preferred hardware or hardware emulator, build a hack for your chance to win a Grow beginner kit with embedded Arduino Uno compatible board. Each winning team member will receive a prize. Next, we have the most creative use of Twilio with MLH. So register a tech domain name using this is the wrong slide. This is for domain.com, but with domain.com, you can get your best tech domain using domain.com during the weekend. Each team may submit one entry per person for the team. Each winning team member will receive a PowerQuest wireless phone charger. And for the Twilio prize, it was announced in MLH slides, but I will also include that in the hacker packet in an announcement later. But to continue, we also have the best space app by USSF. And this is introducing the MLH presentation earlier as well, but they're looking for amazing solutions with any space-related problems that you can imagine. And the prize for this is going to be a wireless Bluetooth speaker. To continue, we have the prize by domain.com, which has the best domain registered domain.com. So register a domain with a .tech domain name using domain.com during the weekend. Each team may submit one entry per competition for a team, and each winning team member will receive a Power Square Qi wireless phone charger. To continue, we also have the best use of TI. This prize will be awarded for the best use of TI technology in the project and can be using a TI device or analog or embedded processing. And the prize for this is a GBL Charge 3 speaker. All right, and to continue, we have the National Security Innovation Network. They have a digital twinning and co-presence prize, which is creating the simulation for physical events. Excuse me. So with our tech red manager, Kevin, we will give you a tech talk and also have mentors. So the winning team will have the opportunity to display the submission on the Tech Grill booth at this year's IISET 2021 conference in Orlando, Florida, which is for the modeling and simulation for the industry's leading tech show conference with over 20,000 participants and 2,000 exhibits. And if you guys would give me 1 second, I got something in my eye. Yeah, I know, guys, not the eye. Sorry. So to continue, we also have a prize from Synopsys. So for Synopsys, they have their Smart Everything prize. So Synopsys technology is at the heart of innovations that are changing the way that people work and play. So and these breakthroughs are ushering in an era of smart everything where devices are getting smarter and connected, and security is an important consideration. Synopsys is looking for a team with the best smart design to help the world develop while also taking into consideration security risks. And the prize for this is going to be our Arduino kit customized with Synopsys logo. There's going to be 4 of them, so that means each person in the team is going to win one. Who wins the prize? Next, we have Facebook with their Express Yourself prize. So in the past year, Facebook has often been a part of the loved ones and milestones and moments together, having a huge impact on our mental health. So in the spirit of social good, build technology that enables users to express their individuality and build empathy towards others. And the prize for this is going to be a Facebook portal for each of the winning members on the team. We also have Mantech, and Mantech is going to sponsor a prize. So with this, they're going to use the message and associated algorithm where you have to find the unique flag and solution and send the flag and solution to cyber.challenge@mantech.com. And this link will show up in the hacker packet after opening ceremony. This will send that message to that email with the subject Cyber Challenge Solution, Algo 1 and 2, #21, and include how you solve a challenge with technical explanation and description of how you use any resources or tools and any pitfalls encountered. And there's going to be more information on this site. And the prize for this is the first person who completes and succeeds both algorithms will win a $50 Amazon gift card. And also, each time that you attend a Mantech workshop, your name will be entered into a raffle, and 2 names to be drawn at office hours on Sunday. And both of the winners announced will win a $50 Amazon gift card. Leading Learners has a prize as well. And at Leading Learners, if you're looking to test out a venture idea, want to make a social impact, entrepreneurship means executing a vision and effectively communicating it with others to ensure the achievement of a common goal. The entrepreneurship track hosted by Leading Learners at NightHacks will allow you to test out the venture ideas, establish your values, and turn your idea into a reality. So for this prize, the expansion pack will have valued at $100. We'll focus on explaining 15 ways that students who are winners can focus on growth and their ideas growth and innovation. To continue, we're also going to be having a beginner-friendly track here at NightHacks. So if you just want to come and you're a beginner and you're not really sure if you're going to complete your project or not, it's okay. Just submit something anyways because you're still able to win this prize. So for this prize, we're going to be grading off of how much you were able to learn from this experience, where you were able to accomplish. So even if you were able to finish your project, tell us what are you really proud about in this project, even if you weren't able to get it completely done as you wanted to, as well as how well you planned out the project. So In this process, we were able to create new prototypes, documentation, ERDs, use case diagrams, and more, which you learned about if you came to our Hackathon 101, How to Win a Hackathon 101 workshop yesterday, and how these things help plan out your project. And the first place prize for this would be a Beats headphones. The second place prize would be a mechanical keyboard. And the third place prize would be a Logitech MX Master. Now, you guys get excited because we now have our last prize. And our last prize is a general prize track. And it's going to be featuring technology and how technical, it's going to be judged off of how technically impressive the project is, how user-friendly the project is, how functional the project is, and whether or not you were able to learn something from the experience. And the first place prize for this is going to be an iPad Pro. A second place prize on this is going to be an Xbox Series X. And the third place prize on this is going to be a Nintendo Switch OLED. All right, and this concludes our opening ceremony. Please, before you leave, there's a survey that should show right by the chat. Please make sure that you fill that out to allow us to learn how to improve our event. And also, if you need any help throughout the weekend, please add Organizer on our Discord server, or you can email me at leadorganizer@nighthacks.org. So yeah, and this is the conclusion of our opening ceremony. And yes, and I misspoke about Twilio, but I will post an announcement about that later. And we will post all the prizes up later today on the Hacker Packet after opening ceremony. All right, and thank you so much.